2444 count subarrays with fixed bounds. This Java code uses sliding window technique with 2 pointers. The sliding window technique is a common approach used to solve problems that involve subarrays or substrings. It involves maintaining a window or range of elements that satisfies certain conditions and expanding or shrinking the window based on the problem requirements. In this specific problem, we use 2 pointers, min and max, to keep track of the indices of the last occurrence of minK and maxK within the current window. We also use a variable leftBound to represent the left boundary of the current window. By using the sliding window technique with 2 pointers, we can efficiently keep track of the necessary information, indices of minK and maxK, while iterating through the array. This allows us to calculate the count of valid subarrays in a single pass, resulting in a time complexity of O(n). The sliding window technique is particularly useful in problems that involve finding subarrays or substrings that satisfy certain conditions, as it allows us to efficiently process the elements and maintain the relevant information within the window.